They have already done this. Okay. Then so asante means thank you. So let's keep on going. If you leave it just like that, that's how you see all the way. Kazi. Evo camera. Nasema aje sasa. Akoleo. Kazi. Yeah. Screeding. Yeah, so guys, today's work, it's about the flow. They will be doing what we call like screeding. So they are trying to find the level that is over here. Hey, good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. It literally depends on the place you are watching me from. On today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm shooting this video from North Boat Orphanage, home of refuge, and today we are here. It's day 3 or day 4. Let's say it's day 4, and actually the work that is over here, it's being done with this under the supervision of you all guys, because you give us what you call like the ideas of what to do. And on the other hand, we thank you all for your support and for your loving heart, kind heart that you are really showing us over here. So ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel at Claude Joseph. Show some love, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. So we have been working here, and this is through your support and your amazing heart. And I want to give a big shout out to each and everyone, and also one subscriber who wants to be anonymous, who has really supported towards this project. May Almighty God bless you for your heart, and may you and your family never lack. Thank you so much guys. And this over here now today, leo kazi ya leo mrani gani na gani hapa?
Hapo ni
Screeding na yes. Na cobras. Yeah, so guys, cobras are this. You see this end of the windows, so they should be as smooth as this end, but these ones in other places, and also hizi madirisha zitasuguliwa kabisa. Sitaki
kwa kijiko
kutoa uchafu kabisa. You in other people like the masons, when they are trying to build, sometimes they can leave this is for another job, but today it will be cobras, the floor, and also I want to be taking you inside what is being done. So inside here it will be the leveling. Bora naona ni kazi so leo ni floor chini, tuone vile tunamaliza. Yeah, so and also the pipes were fixed out to the other side, so it's only this one. Mura vip leo umekuja kazi?
Ndio nimekuja sasa.
Sawa, haya. So we also have this so over here, so it was late night, it couldn't be fixed, so they're going to fix this also. So this is room 1 that it's majorly to be done before every other room, but if you are really willing to support, we can also finish the other room. So this other room number 1, so let's head to room number 2 and I show you what's happening. So wow, this is room number 2, and it's already plastered, as you see, well plastered, and the other side remained because it had a gap. It was being built with bricks. Also you see over here it has a gap. So this one, the work for today, it would be here finishing the other side and finishing this, because if we leave this one this way, it will really affect when one day it will be in 2 colors. So it's better to be finished right now, and also this one it will be for another day. And yeah, the second room was almost done, but because of our financial status, we had to finish one room so that we can continue to the other room. So also we left these other rooms because these were also going to be done, but it only plastered one wall, which is acts as a what we call like we've had to finish the other side, so from down there to this end. So this is well done. So these are the coplers I was telling you that, guys, this one, they're being done separately, but I thank God that these masons are really doing a very wonderful job while doing this. So this room number 2, it's not yet finished, but today we are going to focus on finishing this, putting down the floor, the screeding that is going on over here. So I want to tell you what we lack, what we have, and what we don't have. Like cements, I want to share with you how many cements we have remained with, and what we are going to operate with. So yeah, the handmen are really doing their good job, bringing sand and everything. Wapi jamaa alikuwa anamwaga maji? Wako jikoni. Anapenda jikoni. Jikoni ni watu wa kwingine. So I wanna see you have Moro umeingia?
Yeah, nimeingia.
You good?
Uko poa? Sasa ndo nataka nichangamke hivyo.
Kazi. Sawa.
Angalia vile tunaenda.
Sawa, kazi mzuri.
Swali kabisa.
Haya, acha niangalie simiti ngapi ziko hapa ndani. So we wanna see the bricks also are getting depleted, as you see, but let's wait to manage to finish the first room. Okay, in here, so these are the vents. They're still here. We have how many cements have we remained with? We have only operating on 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So today we have 9 cements that have remained. So this actually acts as our store for the cements. When I came here, we found around 22 cements that were left here by the YouTubers. Mama Esther told me that one of the subscribers or donors donated those cements towards the work that is going over here. So we were operating under those cements. So when they got depleted, we added 10, and then when those 10 depleted, we added 20, which was yesterday. So out of 20, we have remained with 9 cements over here. So literally we are running out of materials also, because cement is the big major key over here, but we have remained with 9. So if you're watching this video and you're like, okay Claude, I can support maybe with I can support the orphanage with a bag of cement, you are highly welcome. I can support maybe with 2 bags of cement, you are highly welcome, because it's not my job, it's not Pastor Asa's job, it's job for the kids. We are trying to rescue the kids to be in a better position. You are all welcome. And also, maybe you are a content creator and maybe you have been sent. Don't do what we call, like, don't be afraid to come. You are highly welcome. This is not my project, it's our project, it's everyone's project. If today the man is exhausted here that I was sent, then I'll tell you, okay, today it should stop here. Maybe another person will come and take over from there. So that's why I'm saying we can join hands together. We can join hands together, and everything will be complete over here. So on this other end, I told this guy to be pouring water, because if you don't pour water here, it will not be okay. You find it that it's cracking. But the better thing with this is, guys, it's smooth that you can paint, you know. So the only thing is they will come skim it and then have a very nice paint. So hii itakuwa ya nje, mtaipeleka ndani ama itakuwa ni mnaikorogea nje tu hapa? Oh, ni screeding. Si unajua kuna sehemu ya kujenga huko juu. Okay, sawa mwa. Haya. So mliambia pia koleo hakuna. Guys, you know, I've sent one of the top masons to go to my home to come with spades, because over here they had 2 spades, in which the other masons who are working over there under the supervision of the bishop, they are building, I was told that they are building girls. The girls who are pregnant here, so they are building a dormitory for the girls who are pregnant. So over here we are building this dorm for the boys. So so we are operating 6 handmen with one spade. So in that regard, therefore I was like, okay, I have like spades at home, so they have to be brought over here so that they can also use them. Hey, mdogo. Security ngapi naweza kula kama simiti ngapi mbona? Sita. So kumaanisha zile ziko ndani zitatosha. So guys, I'm asking him because he's the brother to the top mason. So how many cements can be in here? So it tells me they can go up to 6 cements. And then we have 9 cements. Yeah. Flow day. Day is flow day. Yeah. Fanya kazi mbona sija kutupa mimi. Kumbe hii mchanga ni safi chini. Comics. I think it's a mixture of sand. Have this sand and the other one. So I was trying to suggest to you guys, kindly you can really tell us that at the comment section, should we put a rough cast down or should we do what we call like put a nero? A nero, it's a fine cement, and also the washing is still ongoing. Amani kazi naona today's washing, so also they also help. So the nero looks as smooth as this, you know, as smooth as this. But sometimes this nero, when they'll be putting metallic beds, it will just leave some patches. But when we put a rough cast, down, which means the rough cast can be better for a little bit, because we don't know, maybe in future they will be about to put what we call like maybe tiles. So this is the nero. Let me share with you what's happening. So as time goes by, when you put a nero, it won't be as smooth as the rough cast, because sometimes when you put a nero, it will just come out. So but when you put a rough cast, it will at least last longer compared to the nero, because the beds that will be here, they'll be metallic. But I don't know, what do you think about it, guys? Maybe I should know. So there's what we call like the nero will look like this, as smooth as this. But when you put some metallic beds, they'll start to scratch it. And the rough cast, a rough cast looks like let me show you where the rough cast is. A rough cast looks like this. So this rough cast is very hard, and it's the sand that let me share with you what a rough cast is. I don't know if you understand. So a rough cast will be made, and it will be part something like this. So this is smooth and this is rough. So this one, it can sustain the strength of a bed. But this one, when it's smooth this way, when the bed scratches, it leaves some patches and potholes down. But I don't know that, and how do you people want it to be. So please comment down below. If it's smooth, say smooth. If it's rough cast, say rough cast, and then we'll know how it will be. Alright guys, so guys, this is what you see. It's sand mixed with cement. So they are trying. So the ratio is 3. Mnapima mfuko moja kwa wheelbarrow. Yeah, it's this one, it's 4 wheelbarrows to 1 sack of cement, or 1 bag of cement. But when it's plastering like this, because we are using a very bad sand on the other end, we are using 3 ratio 1. That was 1 bag of cement to 3 wheelbarrows. So right here, mtakuja tujue tuko na watu wangapi wa leo kwa mkono. So hapa mlipima wheelbarrow ngapi? 12. Thank you dola. Sasa simiti nyingine sio leta mbili. So the zimebaki pale ngapi? Nne zimebaki, leta mbili zinabaki. Zabaki mbili, sawa. Kwani kama ulichukua ile nusu kaeka. Ni kama so that they are trying to mix this. Wanna kubrekero neto. So that's how the work is going. The work has already resumed back. So that's what you see. They're trying to fix the other side of the foundation and here. This is the first step. As you see, it's the first step. So the room is being leveled. That stump is trying to compress down very well, and also the other one is trying to fix. So the heavy work is where it's coming to be smoothened, because now they're trying to put it this way. Another fundi. At least when it will be this way, it can be left. Hey. I'm telling you, the work is not, it's not joking here. This is just a before. It must come with one level. That's why they're using something called spirit level. They put something here. Fundi nakuja mzuri. Naweza kanyaga. So ni kugonge na gongo alafu hapa bag. Manjenga irenga. Hayari irenga. So ina hauweki imagine wakivuni. So hapa inagongwa nini kabisa alafu hii kebo. Ikiwa hivi inagongwa alafu itapakwa nero juu. Okay. Okay, so they're trying to stamp it so that it can be strong, and then they level. So they're trying to find a level. They're trying to get one level, and then when they get one level, then they do what we call like screeding, and this is what is being called screeding. Then after that, we'll be having a nero. Yeah. And the other one is trying to finish here, put the electric. So they are finishing up the second room, number 2. They are finishing up. They all come back to finish down here. So they are doing only the finishing up, and then they all come down here. They finish the floor. So literally, the focus is also the one room over here. So at least we have made this, and this is how it's going to be. It's not easy, guys. Okay, thank God. This is one room, the level all over. So they are telling me this is the last. Ini simiti ya mwisho. So they are telling me this is the last cement. So fundi cable it's a Moraya to vote. So guys, how many cements will we itakula simiti ngapi hapa ndani Nilo? So ilete 10 na itakuja milioni zimalizie side nyingine. So guys, they have told me this is the last cement. There's no cement in the store because the cements I bought yesterday, they are depleted. So I'm heading to the sawa ndozi hata nilete 10 ndo ziende na hesabu kama tabaki mbili zifanye kazi hapa. So I'm going to bring 10 cements because the cements that were in the store, there are no cements in the store, so the cements are depleted. So I'm going to add more cements, like 10 cements. I've been told 10 cements. Mama, simiti zimeisha. Wacha niende simiti nikuje nazo. You can introduce yourself now again. Yes.
Thank you
Yes.
so
Good
much.
morning. Yes.
Good morning.
Yes.
Praise God.
Thank you. Amen. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Yeah.
I
So
don't know
because
what to say.
they are trying to put the nilo down, as you said, to smoothen it.
Yeah.
So the cements are depleted. So I wanna come with cements again,
Yeah.
and we see how stuffs are.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes. So
it's good to make that to be ready.
Yes.
They can wash.
yeah,
They can wash when they are staying there.
they're staying inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And as the time goes on,
Mm.
maybe we can continue with the other rooms.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Even when I see the work going on is very amazing.
Yeah.
And the way the work going on, even me, I'm getting healed.
Okay.
You know, when I see the kids in a bad situation,
Yeah.
I'm very close and very near to the kids.
Yeah.
I see before the outsider see it, what is there.
Yeah.
If there anything affecting this kid,
Yeah.
the first it affects my mind
Absolutely,
and my
yeah.
brain and my mind.
Yeah.
So really thank God for everyone,
Yeah.
and even you and all the donors.
Yeah.
To take away my burden. That is my burden,
Yeah.
and that is something giving me a big pressure,
Yeah.
and it hurts me so deep, and it makes me so sick.
Yeah.
But I thank God when you are doing this, you are healing me.
Absolutely.
Yeah, this is a healing.
Okay.
My
Yeah.
heart,
So let me.
my life.
Yeah. So me rush bring them cements before kazi simame. Wacha nikimbie niwaletee cement because imebaki tu ile yenye iko huko, only that half, so that they can put that down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Without today we don't want light. Mlikuwa na simu. Yeah. Okay, so let me rush for cement. Ni wanna see what's happening. Na kuna vijana wanakuja hapa niwasaidie kufanya monetization. So ni vijana wawili, ni Daniel na Fatela. So in case wakikuja hapa waambie wanisubirie. Wanataka wakuje ni YouTubers. So due time sina ya kukaa niwafanyie monetization. I've told them to come here. Then wafanyie kazi yao hapa alafu warudi. Yeah. Yeah, they're also YouTubers. Yeah, they can come also. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I'm just telling her that they are also the boys who want to come here. I'll do monetization for them because I don't have time, because they wanted to come home but I have no time, so I told them to come here. So let me rush and we see you at the hardware. So we are going to bring cements, guys. This is the river where some kids come to fetch water, and as we speak, this is what you see. We are heading up slowly. We are going. The roads are not okay, but we thank God. At least there's some demarcation of you can see that this is a road. Village life. You see these kids are from school. That's you know, there's some kids here from school. It's so sunny, so they're having shade. So let's rush to the border town for the cements, and we come back home. Home. Village houses. Oh. Ooh. This is the tarmac road. Now we are heading in town to have everything. Oh, nah. And we can see how stuffs are around. Oh, let's go in town. We check how stuffs are. Same receipt, same hardware. Police station. Our police station is there in case of anything, any insecurities you head there. For now, we are in town. how we are heading, slowly by slowly. And our hardware is here. This is the border town, guys. Just right in front of us is Tanzania. So let's just check and see. It's crazy, guys, but anyway, we are here. And where's my key? I want just to power off the machine because we are at the border. Anybody can just go off with your machine. So we are at this hardware. I see there are also more pipes, the same pipes like that one that we were installing solar panels, but it's okay. So let's see. Hey, bari yako? Uko salama? Leo uko kwa video. Hey, wasalimia watu. Uko poa? Yes. Simiti 10 cements. How much? 900 each ama zote? 9,000. Only 10 cements. Yeah, so guys, we are buying here cements. And yeah, na mpige muhuri ya leo, muangalie muhuri. Guys, I'm just trying to tell you, this is where we always buy our styles. It's a very big wacha niangalia hata marangi hapa. So it's a very big hardware, a very big there's also TV there, have inner toilets, everything is in here. We have also the painter mixer. This one is for all it's called Ideal Choice for mixing paints. So there are some also paints in here, as you see. It's a very big hardware. We have tiles, everything that we need. We have, this is called crown wall last. It's called crown wall plast. So this one, it's a crown plast when for skimming. It's called skimming coat. When maybe even your wall is damp, when your wall is damp, you can use this and it kills all the dampness. Then you do the paint of your own choice. So this one over here, maybe some days if we will be in a hurry of painting our let me say we will be in a hurry of painting the boys dormitory, we will also have to do what we call like skimming and everything. These are the boards for the sailing, some tiles, and more stuffs around. Yeah, so here is where we always come to buy our materials, you know. More so every YouTuber always come they always come to buy stuffs here. So because of the music, guys, let me mute this and do the payment. Kuna kamziki katalipa copy. So we have the receipts here, and yeah, it's called Majesty. It's 9,900 each in let's start do the payment and then we see how stuff have cash. We draw the money and then we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sawa jomba. So let me look for and the good thing is you have to write down everything and just slowly by slowly. So like this, I'll just have to have a file where I'm just trying to store these receipts because they're too much in my book. So definitely I have a file because each and everything have to be documented down, then we write it down. So let's see the cements over there in the orphanage right now. Sawa auntie, asante. Tunakuja hapa kila tuambie sisi ni wa hapa.
Nyinyi ni wa hapa, nashukuru sana.
Sawa. Na wakuja wengi.
Wote zaidi.
Yeah, so receipts are here. These are the computer that they produce receipts, machine receipts. Alright guys, so thank you so much, and that's how everything is. So from there is where the cashier is, so you have to be given the receipts from there. And over here we have the bigger side of cement. Oh, they're doing some welding in there, man. Crazy. So you have to do what you call like have the cements of your own trades, metals and everything. Simiti kumi mur. Receipt in the, you know, you cannot be given any stuff if you haven't produced this receipt. Like so nafika orphanage si hakuna tuktuk, wacha basi niite nani, niite tuktuk tu. So there is I have to call the tuk-tuk because they told me the dog tuk-tuk has gone for work. So also that is for transport from this cement. And then we see how everything is all around. Alright guys. In front of us that's the mosque. It's being under construction. And you see there's some cements here around here. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cements. So there are more of this. They are just over here. Wewe nakupigia simu hata ushiki. There's the guy that was to ferry these cements, but he never received the phone. So I also gave work to this other guy. Wewe Rastafari bana. Imekupita leo. Haje kwa fit. Sema hata hi man.
Hi guys, it's me again.
Yes. So hata to ile akula hata hiyo.
Acha kunyonya niko kwa tuktuk. Sikusikia.
Yeah, so these are guys who usually help us transport the cements and every stuff. Haje. Kwa fit. Yeah, so we are here guys, and this is how everything is. So today he said that he missed transporting this, but next time tena. Tomorrow is another day. Yeah, so I was telling you that tomorrow is another day, so we see what's happening. It's only 10 cements, then we see how stuff are around. Cements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you not gonna receipt? They have already done this. Okay, 10 cements. Nisim hizo tu. Haya bana, asante. So asante means thank you. So let's keep on going. So the cements are in front, and this is what you see. So let's proceed, and the methods can continue actually with their work. Today we are putting up the nero to smoothen we are going to smoothen the floor, and that is it. So today might be the last day of Claude Joseph. Maybe seeing me at the orphanage, it might be, and maybe somebody else can take over from there. And yeah, so we can check and see how stuff are. Woo. Let's finish with one room because also it needs painting, and we cannot do painting when the walls are damp. So we have to wait, and every money that every donation that has been sent, accountability on the book, receipts if needed, then we can see from there the way forward, guys, how things are. But let me know in the comment section, what do you think about it? You know, nice Africa. Look at the vegetations. Green trees. Fresh air. No hurry. Kids from school. Very nice. Good life. Living life, man. Alright guys, let me take you there. Hey, look at that house in there, guys. There's a certain house here that is built well, and the road says potty. A lot of photos. So let us rush there and see. Also there, Toto Shule. And sister, there's a house there, man. Look at the vegetation. It's actually right now it's maize planting season, and there's a lot of rain, so you're expecting to see more green. And this is how you see life in Africa. The vegetation tells you everything, guys. No helmet. And they're carrying this. So this side, those are brick making. It's a very big kiln. Good thing you can see how trees are around. Okay guys, see you at the opening. So he's our new soldier, so he's coming, and then see how stuff's are. Songa tu juu na huko, enda tu hadi kuna nyumba huko juu. So I'm telling you to go up. Yeah. Sini hapa nyumba inajengwa, so naenda hivi kurudi reverse na hapo. Acha wapita hapa kama nne. Kwa zingine zitaisha stop. Wale wako wapi? Ndamshusha hizo zingine. So guys, the house is coming in shape. So now this is called screeding. Then afterwards they're going to put up the smooth one, the one that we're going for the cement. Nenda mshusha simiti. Wanaleta ngapi hapa ndani kebo? Wanaleta simiti ngapi hapa ndani? Hapa. Wanaleta 5 kwanza. Shusheni 5 mweke hapa. Alafu zingine zingie huko ndani. Kwa store. Mko sawa mko kwa kamera mbona ama itachanganya mahesabu? Sawa, kwa kamera basi. Guys, we have here Fatela.
Yeah guys.
Also Fatela visited.
Fatela TV here.
Okay, Fatela TV.
Yeah, I've just visited. This is the second time I'm coming here.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just visited you to help me with my monetization.
Oh.
Yeah.
On monetization?
Yeah, Mar is the one who sent me for you.
To come and help you in monetization. I love your shirt, man.
Everything will be okay.
Everything will be fine.
Yeah.
Absolutely everything will be fine, man. Despite anything.
Yeah.
What we are going through, and despite everything, everything will be fine, man. I love your shirt. I think one day I'll have your.
Thank you so much.
Hey. Yeah, Dan. That's a cute tomorrow. I thought we visit kidogo. Guys, this is Daniel.
Yes, what's up, guys?
Yes.
It's Daniel Meet right here.
Yes.
Actually, I came here to visit my younger brothers and sisters.
Yes.
In courtesy of Claude Joseph.
Yes.
He called me actually that this issue of monetization
Yes.
is really disturbing me.
Yes.
And I called him and he told me that he's here, so I had to come here to visit my fellow brothers and sisters.
Absolutely. You know, in a blink of an eye, when you go, you have to be. I know you're building also.
Yes,
you must be there with your mason, so you check what they are doing. If they're doing something wrong, you tell them no, rectify this. So right now I was from doing what you call like bringing cement materials. Yeah, materials. So they want to do the nero. Down here. But what do you think about your work, man?
The work is good.
It's good, yeah.
But the mistake is they did wiring after
plastering. So you know there was an idea that we were plastering. They never knew that they were, because according to what we call like if one subscriber tells you go do the plastering,
you must
do that way according to how and the time was going. So there were not any material for piping around here, but the rest ones are in there. So you know the money was scheduled only for plastering, so we had to chip in again to see and write down the what you call like the budget quotation. So that's why we did that, but that one will be wiped away.
But the paint.
Yeah, the paint.
Yeah.
So in here, all the houses right here are they have done piping before wiring. So this is piping. So you see, like here it was done.
Yeah.
So when the what you call, like when they'll be plastering here, maybe
Just
some days.
plaster it.
Yeah, and then they plaster it. But it's only that one that we're focusing on. And then maybe if there'll be money again, or there'll be donation. Also, if you maybe come with one cement, one cement, this can be done within even 1 or 2 days, and it will be done. Yes, man. All right, guys. Thank you for visiting. I wanna just help them to do some monetization.
Yeah.
Your YouTube channel is
Fadela TV Daily, guys. Go check me out, Fadela TV Daily.
absolutely. And
Mine is Daniel's Journey.
Daniel's journey.
Daniel's Journey, guys.
Yeah.
Please check me out there.
Yes.
Load me to 10,000 subscribers. I
Alright.
really appreciate.
All right, man. Okay, guys. Let's wait and see. There's a work ongoing. You see, this is what we call nilo. This is pure cement. So it's a pure cement being mixed this way, and after leveling this, so they're going to put this place to be smooth. So for now they're waiting it to be a little bit dry, and then they'll make it smooth. That's why I was telling you, if we do this, it's pure cement. Telling you guys that things that are going here, it's very much okay and great. So you can check also the other side. So this is just pure cement. Pure cement. It has to be stirred like porridge. You see? You have to stir it like porridge. Unazungusha hivi sasa. Kama uji. If you leave it just like that, itakuwa na chimbiru zuri. Unajua mimi mwana ni maso. Ndio kupita.
Kutoka wapi?
Mimi, my friend. You also know that I'm a maso. Yeah. So you have to stir it just like this. To be in a heavy paste. And then it will be poured down. And then they start smoothing it. Yeah. Hey. So we are going to be done with one room, and then we'll see how fast we'll be. Look what's happening. Mogator? Oh. That's cement. That's cement. Cement. This is what's happening. Then later they'll smoothen it. There is. So they're waiting it for a couple of maybe hours, and then they'll smoothen it. Now they're putting it a paste. They're pasting it. Guys, this is what you see. So they are trying to spread what you call like they are trying to spray what you call like dust, what you call like cement dust, and then now it's going to be smoothened. So one room, it's done. So it's whatever is remaining, it's only paint, in which we are going to check on how everything is going. So this one muy perfecto. Mnasema bado kuja kuwa nataka mpitishe stili haya bana. So up this end, so while walking towards that end, you have to use these cement sacks. So he has started smoothing that place. That's how you see being smoothed. Cable. That's how you see how it's going on. So they're going to smoothen it. Like now you can see it's kind of rough. This is not the final. The final is going to be smoothened as they come towards this end. Cable. That's how they're walking towards the end, so that they can start smoothing it. The smoothing. Hey. So you see where he's starting from? It's becoming shiny. Yeah. So guys, you see we are starting from there, and they're coming in slowly. Very nice. So we are here, and today we are finalizing this. As you see, we just did what you call like plastering, and today the only hard time here is watering, because some of the boys here, that are here, they don't do what you call like water here. I was told that they will not water this place, so I have also to rush from home, or when you are coming with the masons like this, that's how we are watering this. And I paid somebody that's like 200 Kenyan shillings who stays around here to come and be doing what you call like watering around. So today they are watering, and also let me show you the work that was done today. So today we are done with I can say we are done with this room, because I cannot have an access to go in, because you can check how slippery and smooth it is. So just like this, I don't know what was your idea, guys. Maybe you wanted it to be tiled or to do whatever, maybe screeding and everything, but this is what I've done. The job that not me have done, the job we have done, because it's not me, it's because of your support, and it's because of your dedication, all your mind and everything that is over here. So guys, the work has been done well. So this will dry up maybe for 2 or 3 days. Kebo, itakauka kama kwa siku ngapi? Eh. 1 week. So this will take off 1 week. Na kuanzia kesho ndio itaanza kumwagiliwa maji. So starting from tomorrow, they will be watering. So I'll be coming to check on how everything is. But the house looks really neat and clean. Hapo weke mchanga kesho. So oje tuweke. So yeah, he's telling me that I'll just pour for starting tomorrow, because right now we cannot go in. We'll put sand and then we pour water so that it can hold that water around here, so that we can see what's happening. And now the remaining rooms until further notice, because we will talk with you guys and we see how everything is. The subscriber who the donator or the donor who was donating towards this told me I should work on these rooms. So this one got stopped because of he told me to finish first this room, and then we will do what we call like continue from there. But my prayer is to finish up everything that is around here, because we have been working, and you see how stuff has been done. So the remaining rooms to be plastered is this room, this side, and also the other side, which we are going to schedule down a budget, and then we will be talking with you guys, and everything will be documented down, because with me what I want is transparency and accountability. I don't want one day to somebody maybe to feel that, oh, Claude ate my money, or Claude ate our money. The donation that you send towards something, this is what will be done. Gilberto. So there was a plumber who came here by the name Gilberto. He's also a content creator. So yeah, he wanted to just congratulate what's happening over here, and also want to call mom, and then I will be paying the masons, and we'll see how stuff's going. For now, we have already plastered the floor and everything that is in here. So I'm really grateful for each and every person who has contributed towards this, and my biggest prayer is we finish all this. This was done by one donor that has really done amazingly on the other end, on the floor and everything. And that was anonymous donor, the one who said what we call like the solars and everything, because we can say the solars has been the solar system of the security lights. At night they light, So I did a video about that, and also I'm really much grateful for everything that has been around here. So the money that was donated towards the solar did its part, and we remained with 7,650. It's kept aside, and when another donor came in and said, okay, I want to do the plastering of outside and everything that is in here, so everything is accounted and we are here, the transparency and everything. And I'm urging, if you are feeling like maybe you can put the paint, or if you are feeling that you can do the other remaining rooms, you are highly welcome. Maybe today not be, or the next video of tomorrow you not see me here, you'll be like, oh, why did Claude left, or why did Claude not continue and finish the other houses? So let us acknowledge them by saying thank you so much, and may Almighty God bless you all. And yeah guys, so let me pay the masons and the handmen. They are waiting me over here, and I want to see what's happening. All right guys, I'll be calling the names, and then we see how stuffs are. Today we bought 10 cements again, and this, so we are going to call the names, and then we see how everything is going on. So Kebo apita hivi juu, Kebo, William, Johnny, and Munga, and Moi. So these are the masons, because today we had 5 masons. It was plastering down and finishing some small stuffs. So I'll have to pay this guy so that he can pay them.
Ana kaburi da mason sio tu.
So that is a total of 5,500.
ya 500 na nunua 1,500 na nusu. Yote anahitaji namfuata popote. Ndugu zangu yote kwa aliyekuwa na hizi pesa nahitaji hii 1,000 na nunua 1,100, hii ya 500 na nunua 1,100.
Hey, what's wrong with your phone, bro? 1,100 has done what?
Ndugu zangu yote kwa aliyekuwa na hizi pesa na
5,500, right? Lipa kina Munga. And then lipa kina Munga bwana. Lipa kina Munga. He's the top mason towards this.
William Munga.
Yeah. So na nimekupatia mafuta for fuel. For fuel. So because you always go, unabeba wangapi? Watano. Always carries them. Utanisubiria tuende. Okay. So let me also pay the handyman. Manu hayuko. Umevaa muratu umegeuka. Leo mlinyimo kidogo. William? Not William, Motari. Motari. Mura. Aya, Mariba. Mungu waliki wengine sasa. Pius. Guga. There's another guy who was disturbing, so I told him, please go. So I brought another guy. You know, if somebody is disturbing, man, this is not my work. It's not for the donation. So he was demanding, I want lunch. I told him, I want people who don't disturb me. Yeah. It was Pius who we are trying to shift.
Sasa anatumika kama Pius.
So that's how it is, and the remaining change, keeping it in, and then we do the accountability about how stuff is, and then we will write down everything. So thank you so much guys. Let me call Pastor Esther. Let us call Pastor Esther, and then we finish this by showing her how the work was done today. Then we will finish this video guys. Thank you so much, and Almighty God bless you. Mura tukipata kazi mzuri tutaenda na nyinyi. Sasa mnisubirie, tunaenda na pikipiki ziko huko, si ndio? Wacha nipigie pastor simu. Alright guys. So guys, we are here with Gilberto and also mom. Okay. So today the compound was very busy today. Yeah, so And also this morning I never saw mom. She was busy up down, up down.
Yes, yes.
So I'm here with Gilberto.
Architecture and construction.
Yes.
That is my YouTube name.
Yes.
If you wanna explore my YouTube channel,
yes,
warm welcome, support in subscribing, sharing, comment, and like the videos. Yeah, and many thanks for supporting Claude Joseph for a channel.
Thank you so much.
May God reward you.
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Okay.
Yeah, so today we are here at the orphanage, and we are with the mom. We have been working here for almost 1 week. Yeah, so we have been doing what we call like clearing boys dormitory, and today I want to go hand over what we call like for now until we resume back. So we can also go with you, Gilberto, as you can tell people what you do. What are you doing in the orphanage today?
In orphanage today,
yes.
I'm not such a guest, usual guest, because I've been doing such a job in terms of construction.
Yes.
For 10 years ago.
Yes.
I was been doing a special job here.
Yes.
Constructing water tank.
Yes.
Construction there, and some touching of plumbing system, drainage system.
Yes.
And today's job it was unblocking. Dealing with the blockage of this house.
Yes.
All this home was facing a blockage. Of the drainage system was not working well.
Yeah.
But for now, you can ask even you from our mother.
Yes.
How situation is.
Yeah.
Because Gilberto was here.
Gilberto was here.
Okay.
More than 10 years.
Yeah.
Since 2010, up to now.
Wow.
Yeah, for sure.
Gilberto is doing a very amazing job. Actually, I saw you first when we first met when we were at Amaro, when we were doing the biodigestor safety tank. Yeah, Murajika because he's doing a motorbike.
Okay.
Yeah, so ninakuja hata wewe kama dakika 5 ninakuja. So he really does a very good work in terms of plumbing, in terms of maybe you want a biodigester. Okay. Here is modern toilets,
all sorts of technical jobs.
Yes.
I'm ready to serve people like you.
Yes.
Maybe you never know, you can be our next boss. Yeah. Even you can
God
ask
willing.
I am Maro about Gilberto.
Yeah.
Gilberto have served people, a lot of people in East Africa, even almost Central Africa.
Yes.
East African countries.
Yes.
I've been exploring the countries and doing some touches.
Wow.
Even before I start this YouTube channel, because I am Marwa is my founder in terms of being a YouTube a YouTuber.
All right.
But if you ask some question about Gilberto, you ask I am Marwa, Mayuguno there, they will explain you further.
Who is Gilberto?
Yes.
Yeah. So today, what do you think about this work? You as a constructor.
Because I'm a constructor and supervisor.
Yes.
Let me do exploring this today's job.
Yes.
I can say something after.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So looks like amazing job there.
Yes.
This is a good flow.
A good
smarter one.
Smarter.
Smiled one.
Gilberto. Yeah.
So
yes.
It's well done. Well done.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations for doing such. It looks like a.
Usingie ndani. Wait.
It's still wet.
It's still wet. Yeah.
So we don't like
to step on it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So
good job I've done. Supervised by Claude Joseph.
Yeah.
You are a good guy. You're a good guy.
Thank you so much. And mom, what do you think about this, mom? You can just check and say, hey, because this was what that was done. Yes.
Don't believe on Gilberto himself, but
yeah.
Very, very quick.
It's like a mirror.
And when the walls,
yes,
you see that if it is clean,
yes,
if it's not clean,
yeah,
you'll be actually say that it's clean.
It's clean.
Because when they not washed well,
yeah,
you can see it.
Yeah, for sure.
Like,
yeah.
That's how it needs to be.
It needs to be.
So according to engineering measures,
yes,
we have to do curing from tomorrow.
Wait, mom. Actually, tell mom actually for that, because even here, I've been paying somebody to
do
curing every morning and evening.
Essential situation in construction.
Yeah.
When you do not a cure construction or a building,
yes,
it can be
cracking.
Looks like demolition itself, because people are not curing it on a special one. You have to cure a lot of water on it, so that the cement, water, and
morning, evening, and
yeah,
morning 3 times.
even afternoon.
Yeah.
Even noontime.
I'll follow it, and I'll make sure that
Yeah.
to cure
Yeah.
everything.
My kind of request is please tell the boys who are here tomorrow around 11 they bring sand and let them not to step there. They stand here, they pour sand first
To
and
retain
then
water on it, so that they can be
yeah.
I'll tell them to do that.
Yeah, I'll be here. If
Me too, I'll be here.
I'll be here.
Because the drainage system
Yes.
is not too full enough for crazy looking.
Yes.
But by tomorrow,
Yes.
it will take shape.
Shape.
In terms of renovation.
Yeah.
And God wish.
Yeah.
We'll be here to fix
Yeah.
it.
I read
I
up.
could say to the workers that was working here,
Yes.
their work is so amazing
Yes.
and so clean. I recommended them,
Yes.
God willing,
Yes.
them to come back
Yeah.
and continue finishing this house.
The rest. Yeah.
It's my prayer,
Yeah.
God willing.
God willing. Yeah.
Let them come back
Yes.
and finish this house.
This
Their work is very, very perfect, for sure.
Thank you.
And I could even pray for them, but they have
They have gone.
For
You know,
sure.
I've because they
But
finished
I
time.
will
Yeah.
say the word of prayer for them.
Please pray for
Because
them.
They
Yeah.
have done an amazing work
Yes.
with a deep, good heart
Yeah.
and in a very good heart.
Thank you.
I can say they are
welcome them
working
again.
from
Yeah.
deep side.
bottom of their
Yeah,
heart.
You know, but we were doing this work here. There's a day that the first day this dog will go in. I don't know how we block this, but I was wishing that we can unblock this.
Unless people do.
Yeah. I wish we can unblock this here so that this yeah, just a little bit so that the dog cannot easy milango isije bomoke. And then here we can put
It's like they need
gambut iko. So it's only yani kurudishia tu is mbwa asiingie ndani. You know, when the dog will be here, it will leave its footprints. And then already the fundis have gone. Yeah, that's better. There is better. Yeah, there is better. Thank you so much. So I have to put this just like this. Better.
very nice work.
Yeah.
For sure.
You know, Gilbert, it reached a point where we worked here up to 9 a.m. Usiku 9 p.m. tukimulikiana na simu wakipiga plaster ndani. Yeah, but we thank God everything came out nice. Yeah.
The thing that I saw them doing,
Yes.
it's a very, very nice one to put in the mind
Yes.
when it's doing plastering.
Yes.
The way they are measuring the sand and the cement,
Yes.
they were putting
They maintain the
Yeah.
ratio.
The ratio. I told them 3
3-1.
3-1. Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
a good
that will
measure.
make these house to be very deep.
Yeah.
It can
Last long.
line,
Yeah.
more than others.
Thank you.
Because others they were putting 4 wheelbarrows to one cement.
And you know, sometimes the wheelbarrows here, they are different in sizes. It's not a new one. Others big.
Don't know the
The ratio.
measurement.
Yes.
The ratio.
I
Yeah.
really appreciate what
Yeah.
That's why we need some supervision.
Some visual. Yeah.
Supervision.
Yes.
yeah. But that guys,
Yeah.
I can even if I have something I need to
Tell them come back. Come back. Come back.
I was planning to give them
To give
a
them.
gift.
Oh, should I? Should them? Maybe when they'll be
There are
coming.
2 of them.
Yeah.
Even I was very close to see what they are doing. Even I don't know their names.
Is a top
but
engineer.
but
They
I
look
can see
alike.
them.
It's
Yeah,
brothers. They're
brown-
brothers.
brown one.
Yeah, they're
The
brothers.
one told me the name like Thomas.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So I was like, just to look what they are doing.
Yeah.
From up there to down
Yeah.
here. And
They are willing to do what they are doing.
The heart and you know motivation. If you tell them I'll buy you tea, please work the work.
Okay.
Everything. It's like you driving on a big truck. Yeah.
Their whole heart.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you know, me, I interpret things
Yeah.
in a spiritual way.
Yeah.
That God has started His own work.
Yes.
That, you know, in this world we have 2 worlds. This world is different world from the world of the Bible. You know, we have 2 worlds. The spiritual world in the Bible and the normal
physical,
world, the physical. So when they are working here, I was interpreting them in
a spiritual.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
okay, it's
trying
amazing.
to fix
It's amazing.
things
Yeah,
in a correct way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Mmeenda mlikuwa mpewe gift.
Gift sasa.
Haiko sasa, gift ni kusalimia. No, naambia tu. Umesahau nini? Umesahau nini? Oh, sawa. Okay.
According to your schedule,
Yes.
Claude Joseph.
Yes.
What next? Maybe starting tomorrow.
Starting tomorrow, because according to what we call like the donor said, we rectify this room. We stretched much to the other room, but her will was this room to get finished first, because the boys were in a very critical condition. So that when it's curing, maybe we can even fabricate 5 or 6 beds, then they can have for a start. But I'm really willing, like we could have finished this, and so that all it can be in one uniform. But my biggest prayer is, we are really grateful for this work, and we are really much grateful for the support. So maybe tomorrow, there's very well, each and every person has his or her own way of working.
Yes.
Yeah, so maybe you can feel, maybe tomorrow says, okay, I've benchmarked the work in a good condition, finish this. And also sometimes there's no money at a time. You have to, everybody has no how to hustle.
Yes.
If I used to have much money, I could have finished. But let's see, slowly by slowly, even $1, guys, we are grateful. Because when we bring it together, we will complete this. So my biggest prayer is this also should be done, but let us first finish this. Maybe tomorrow you might say, okay, we have to do the scrubbing and painting and everything. So Mom, you keep on praying for us. Keep on praying for us. And that's how everything will be. So with me, guys, I want to say thank you so much. I'm very much grateful. So we're going to have a halt. That was called like a stop for maybe 2 or 3 days. Maybe if we get money, we'll come and finish this. If a good donor will come and say, okay, let us finish this, and this one is curing, and then we do the painting. So thank you so much, guys. Mom, I'm handing it over to you until I come here. But every day I'll be coming, so that my work cannot become shady. We should be pouring water. And everything that have been done here, it's written down. You can check on maybe the next video or this video, how everything has been going, written, and everything, receipts are kept. Yeah, so thank you so much. God bless you. Subscribe to Mom. It's Noah's Boat, House of Refuge, and also Gilberto here.
Gilberto Architecture, Gilberto Architecture and Construction.
Yes.
Yes, you can subscribe, can share your idea in terms of comment, like. I really appreciate so much for supporting Claude Joseph channel. We really say thank you so much for having this golden time to you.
Thank you so
many
much.
thanks for your support. You never know. God will reward you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Guys.
Let me rush and see the cements, then we'll continue.
If you don't know, God bless you so much. My son, Claude Joseph,
Thank you so much.
God bless you so much.
Thank you.
And I really appreciate even all the workers. The work that we're doing here, very, very clean.
Thank you so much.
Bless you so
Thank you so much, Mom. Let me tell you guys how many cements have remained. Then I will be rushing home. Whoa. I want to check how many cements. Washing, cleaning during the evening time. Wow, la. Let me check how many cements, then we can know. So we have remained with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cements and this half. Alright guys, let's continue from there. And Almighty God bless you and everyone. Bye.